Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you watching for the first time today, my name is Maria Bella and this is my beauty YouTube channel. Welcome back guys. Today I have an awesome makeup tutorial for you guys. It's on the makeup look that I'm wearing right here, right now. So if you want to get this makeup look, keep on watching. Okay, so first step, go ahead and grab a fluffy brush. Now, I'm going to use that fluffy brush and I'm going to be using this color right here. The color is called Nectar. Okay, so I'm taking Nectar and I'm applying it in whatever this area is. Okay, next I'm taking this Colourpop pressed shadow in the shade Paper Tiger. And I'm going to use this small fluffy blending brush. I'm taking the smallest amount of product and I'm applying it right here. And now we're just going to work on building the intensity of the color. After building it nice and well up at the top, we're going to take a flat-headed C brush and we're going to dip back into the color and go ahead and bring that color all the way down. I'm going back in with my small blending brush and I'm going to blend out what we just applied. At the end of each step, I like to take a fluffy brush and blend everything to perfection. Next, we're going to take this beautiful shade right here called Warmth in this flat-headed C brush and I'm placing it right here. So now you're going to take just a bigger flat-headed C brush, a little bit fluffier, to make the blending easier.
I like this brush because it's shorter and it allows me to blend the color I just applied.
Taking my small blending brush, I'm blending the two colors at the seam. Just applying a little more to darken up the eye. And we're going to blend that in. Now I'm using the shade Cozy to deepen up the look. If you didn't understand me earlier, I meant that this brush is short, so it allows me to blend the color without mixing it too much with the others. Now that I'm ready, I'm going to lightly blend them. Going in with this brush, I'm going to apply a little more of the shade Cozy. And then of course blending that gently. Just gentle strokes. Okay, final blending step, I promise. Don't laugh at me, I'm trying. The shade is Fireside. I'm taking Fireside and I'm trying to focus it in the outer corner of my eye, lightly bringing it inward. And you knew it, blending, tons of blending. And now more blending, but with a bigger brush. Oh yeah, and back in with the smaller one. Don't kill me, okay? I promise it's all worth it. Now that the blending horror is over, I'm taking my favorite concealer and my new favorite brush to cut my eyes with. I normally don't leave long parts in my videos, but I thought some of you might be able to benefit from watching, so here it is. And just in case you were wondering, this is in fast forward. I'm applying it very slowly, one stroke at a time, one step at a time. Taking my sweet time. Now that I've cut my eye, I'm going to tap the concealer in, kind of like setting it, but without the powder. Next, we're taking my NYX glitter primer and we're going to mix it with the shade Candle. This glitter primer is my go-to for glitter shadows. I'm just using a little. I'm taking this tiny flat brush to apply everything. First, you apply the primer in a small area. Next, I'm turning my brush and I'm applying the shadow over the primer. I'm basically doing step 1 and 2 over and over again until I complete the whole eye. Just doing some final touch-ups. I'm taking my usual Balanceme Instant Lift Primer and I'm applying it all over my face. Just a little bit more. Excuse my baby if you hear her in the background. Going back in with the Colourpop Shadow Paper Tiger, and I'm using my small blending brush to apply it to my lower lash line. Making sure I apply it evenly on both sides. And now just blending it out, or smudging, whichever you prefer. I'm going to take this flat angled liner brush and apply Cozy as close as possible to the top of my lower lash line. Be careful not to stab your eye, okay? Now the other eye. Yes, I apply makeup like a turtle. Sorry, not sorry. Okay, next and final color, Warmth. That's literally how much product I'm using. Taking Warmth to blend out the two colors underneath. And we're finally done. Unfortunately, that's it for this video, you guys. Go ahead and give this video a huge like, hit the notification bell down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment if you like. I love reading y'all's comments every time. I will see you in my next video.